Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video where we will be installing the SYGAV Android 10.0 for the 2016 to 2020 Honda Civic. This is a 10.2-inch touchscreen car stereo head unit that includes built-in CarPlay, Android Auto, and GPS navigation. So basically, a huge upgrade from the base model Civic screen. Thanks to SYGAV for providing this head unit for the video. Anyway, let's get right into the install and check out this Android head unit. So here's the box you'll receive. And inside we have a manual for how to use the head unit. And of course the head unit itself with tons of cables provided. To start the install, go ahead and remove the side panels from the center console. I just used a trim removal tool which did the job perfectly. Once you get the panels off, you'll need to remove the AC unit first. So you'll need to get your trim removal tool and pop up a clip on the side here, so you're actually able to remove the AC unit. And then you'll just need to remove these two screws so you're able to remove the actual head unit. And don't be afraid to tug on your head unit a bit to remove it. There's just a few clips inside that are holding it in. And then there isn't much wiggle room for the plugs, so try your best to remove the cables and pull the entire head unit out. Now, plugging everything in is very simple. Just plug and play for all the cables. When wiring the backup camera, you'll have two different yellow cables. Wire the cam VIN one to the one that says camera if you guys just have the base model Civic. And if your car has the right side camera, you'll need to plug in the cable that says BSM cam to the aux video in as well. And that way the right side camera will show on your screen when you're turning right. And just for a side note, if your car does not have the right view camera, you'll need to go into settings, car, factory setting, and then there's a password that you'll need to put in, which is 126, and then CAN bus, and then click on the right view hide button in order to have no error coming up when you're turning right. Earlier I put the Wi-Fi antenna in the wrong spot, so I attached it to the right side where it should be. Once you're done plugging everything in, you'll need to take the white clips from your old head unit and swap them over to your new one. We just ended up using 2 small flat heads to pop them off, and it worked perfectly. So once all your cables are plugged in, just go ahead and test the screen so you know everything's plugged in the right spot. So we went ahead and tested it and powered on the car, and you get greeted with an awesome Honda logo popping up. And I did have my door open right here, and it shows you which doors are open on the new Android head unit, which obviously the base model Civic screen did not do that before. And then they have a video section, so you can download and watch movies on these because it is an Android system, so you're able to download movies and watch them on here. So we were testing out the picture quality, and it looks really, really nice. And then you can also download music and play it on here if you're going on a road trip and don't have any internet connection. And then we got the radio here, which is also really cool. You can just use your finger to go to a different station. Look at that shiny screen. So good. And then here we're showing some cables that I didn't use, but make sure you guys connect this cable here if you want to have voice activation, since it's a microphone for your head unit, which I just forgot to connect. And then these cables are going to be used in the Civic Touring trim for hooking up the radio antenna wiring, which we didn't need. Anyway, the screen has been working flawlessly, and I love the new look. Before I end off the video, I just wanted to show those who don't know how to hook up the backup camera lines in the settings. in the extra settings section and just add the reversing trajectory display on. If you're interested in checking out this head unit for your Civic, check out the links down below. You can get it conveniently from Amazon or from the SYGAV website directly. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.